Today, I'm going to show you how to lay out your home video studio to not only maximize your space, but also produce professional quality videos from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I am Josh Roberson, and I create home video studios for business to want to close more sales from the convenience of their own home. This video is all about how to lay out your video studio to maximize your small space. By this video, you should have the location picked out and how to frame your shot or how much of you want to show on camera. If not, please check out my previous videos on these topics first. First thing is first, we need to figure out your back wall. I mean, what's the wall behind you? Now, you got to keep in mind, please no windows behind you. You can have windows in front of you, or you can have windows on either side of you. Glass, you do not want anything reflective behind you, just take my word on it. Even doors with glass, those are not good because, well, you can see through it. That's not cool either. Second, walkability. Now you're probably thinking, duh, Josh, I'm not gonna paint myself into a corner, but more often than not, people do. So don't do that. Don't set up your desk and be like, oh yeah, this is nice. I got everything set up just the way I want. And then all of a sudden you're like, ooh, now I gotta crawl under your desk to get in and out. Oh man, ooh, that hurts. No, by the second time, you're probably gonna be like, nope, this was not a good idea. So moving on, number 3, you need to create as much space between you and your back wall. Now this will come in handy in my upcoming videos when I'm talking about lighting, shadows, and how to create that cool blurry background. And to be fully transparent, well, here's my current layout. Welcome and come on into my office. As you can see, I mean, it looks pretty big, but I mean, to tell you this is my particular setup, it's 8 feet by 12 feet this way. Now, as you're looking around, I can probably tell you, you're like, well, it's a square, it's fairly easy. Well, not necessarily. See, I have this wall, but this wall has got a big old blue board on it, and that's super reflective, so that's not gonna work. I mean, you could take it down, but that seems like a lot of work. I have this wall, as you can see, but if I put my desk this, then that's really crammed up against that back wall, and then the walkability around the desk and stuff, like we said earlier, not ideal. This wall is perfect. It's just flat, plain-o. That's a great one. Now this one is the one with the door on it. It's, as you can see, it's all glass. So that ain't gonna work either. That's not gonna work very much. So all in all, I have an 8-foot wide by 12-foot deep. Ceiling is about 8 feet. Hopefully this made more sense. If not, please comment down below, questions, concerns, comments, whatever. And if I missed anything, of course, let me know. But be sure to check out my next video where we get into the essential gear that you'll need to start making your videos.